Assalamu alaikum dear students. So today we're gonna just wrap up this topic which is under the heading common air pollutants and their sources, and I hope that you all are aware that what are the common air pollutants which are present indoor, and what are the common air pollutants which are present outdoor, and what are their major sources. Now if the air pollutants are present within the houses, what are the sources? And if it is present in the ambient air, now ambient air, you should be knowing that ambient air is the air when you step out of the house, the air which surrounds us, it's called ambient air. So what are the sources which are creating ambient air pollution or outdoor air pollutions? Okay, so we'll just discuss the last topic under the heading of common air pollutants and their sources, and that is here on the last page. If you go to second last page of this lecture, it's here. Who is affected by air pollution? So as we are aware that everyone requires air for respiration and breathing, so everyone who is inhaling air is affected by air pollution, and especially those who are exposed over a prolonged period of time. However, some group of people may be more susceptible than others in regard to exposure to air pollution. Different pollutants may affect these groups differently. For example, several of pollutants may trigger symptoms in people with asthma, whereas people with heart diseases are most likely to be affected by particle pollutions, like the particles which comes under the value of PM 2.5 to 10. The following people are more likely to be affected: people with asthma, people with lung diseases, people with cardiovascular heart diseases, unborn babies, children, and other people with lung problems. And older people are more likely to be affected by air pollutions, perhaps due to generally weaker immune systems or undiagnosed respiratory or cardiovascular health conditions. Now, we should be aware that when and where air pollution may be bad. Ozone is often worst on hot summer days, especially in the afternoons and early evenings. Particle pollutions can be bad any time of the year. It can especially be bad when the weather is calm, allowing air pollution to build up. Particle level can be higher near busy roads during rush hours, and when there is smoke in the air from wood heaters, hazard reduction activities, or during bushfires. Dust storm will also generate high levels of particle pollutions. So what you should do, you should avoid exercising near busy roads and industrial areas. Reduce your air pollution inside your home, and I told you so many ways how you can reduce the air pollution inside your home. The first thing is you should not smoke indoor, and if anyone's smoke inside the door, there should be proper ventilation. The air, the cigarette smoke should not be accumulated inside the air. There should be proper exhaust and proper ventilation. Don't use wood fire stoves or wood burning heaters in your home. Don't use unflued gas heater. Unflued gas heaters means without proper ventilation. The heaters should not be used inside a house. Don't use ozone generators for managing indoor air pollution or odor problems. If you suffer from asthma, other respiratory conditions such as chronic bronchitis or cardiovascular disease, make sure you have your reliever medicines handy, like you should have your inhalers at home all the time if you are suffering from these diseases. Now here is one activity which I want you to do, and it's about air quality fact sheets. Now, how to see the air quality around you? Air quality index is basically AQ. It is represented by AQI, and it tells you the air quality around around you and around your city, around your country. So what activity we can do is here. Now, how can you check or tell that the air quality is good or bad? These are the indicators which tells you about the air quality around your city. Okay, so if the value comes around 0 to 33, it's very good and you can enjoy normal activities. Now if the air quality is from 34 to 66, it's a good, it comes in good, and you can also enjoy normal activities. If it is from 67 to 99, it comes under fair conditions, and people usually sensitive to air pollution should reduce or reschedule strenuous activities which are supposed to take place outdoor. Others are not likely to be affected by this AQI value if it comes under the range 67 to 99. Now if this AQI value increases and it goes like from 100 to 149, it comes under poor air quality, and sensitive group of people should reduce or reschedule strenuous outdoor activities. Other adults are not likely to be affected when the AQI is in this range. And if this AQI value goes up from 150 to 199, it is very poor air quality, and sensitive groups should avoid strenuous outside activities. Other adults should reduce or reschedule strenuous outdoor activities. So if it is above 200, it comes under hazardous, like everyone should be should stop going outside and should use proper mask and other things to protect your your lungs and your health. So this is the information provided in air pollution health alerts. Now if the air quality is like poor AQI, so it's like targeting information to the groups known to be sensitive to that type of pollution. The alert provides advice to watch for symptoms, have reliever medicines nearby, and seek medical advice. And when the air quality is very poor, AQI above 200, then it's like targeting everyone, and everyone should try to stay indoor and use mask if you have to go outside. Now this is the air quality index of our city, Lahore, and this was when it was, a few days back, there was a smoggy days, like there was too much fog and smog. So that day I took I just randomly searched a website for the air quality index of Lahore city, and it came like 195, and it was unhealthy that day. Now one activity you all can do is you just have to go through this website. You just click here and you will be able to calculate. Now right now it's like 7 a.m. in the morning. It's early morning and the air is very clean, so you can see the air quality index right now is 96, which is quite good, and it's moderate, it's coming moderate. Now what activity I want you guys to do is you have to measure like 3 times a day, like one in early morning, like when the sun rises around 6 o'clock in the morning, then one in the afternoon around 2 o'clock, and then one at the rush hours, peak hours, when the cars coming back, like offices closes and the cars come back to their houses. So you have to just go through and check the AQI of your city. So you can see this provides you a live streaming of AQI of your city. Now this is you can see the previous 3 days. It's showing the previous. Today right now it is moderate. On Thursday it was also moderate. Wednesday it was like this is the average of average AQI. And on Tuesday it was 109, which is quite a little bit unhealthy for sensitive group of people. So you just go through this website and try to make a chart for like 3 consecutive days, 3 times a day, one in the morning, then in afternoon, and then at rush hour or peak hour in the evenings. Okay, so just make a chart and compare when the air quality of your city is getting down. So here you can explore the map. You just write down the location here, Lahore, and it will show you the live picture here. Just write down location, Lahore. Or here you can see at the moment the air quality of this, I think this is Chiang Mai, I think maybe in Thailand. The air quality is right now is 234, which is quite high. It is quite unhealthy there. In Karachi it is 157, Delhi 156. So you know Pakistan is coming on second number right now if you just analyze the air quality index. So for Lahore you can check okay, yeah, this is a live map. Okay, so here you can see it's quite good here right now, but I will advise you to just go through this website and compare the air quality of your city at least twice a day and for 3 consecutive days. Then you will come to know when it is the air quality is very good, when you can open the windows of your house, and what time it's very bad. At that time, at that point of time, you should not try to ventilate your house. You should close the windows. So you will have a good view of the air quality index if you just go through this website and try to analyze the situation yourself. So I think that's all for today. This topic is finished now, and I hope all the subheadings and the topics itself is clear to you, and I believe that you are making your notes and preparing yourself well. If you have any questions, you can just WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp group, and inshallah I'll try to answer those. Thank you very much for your kind attention.